Some quick price hunting at Lowe's. Way too early for that guy, isn't it? We've got two miter saw options on sale right now. $119 for this Metabo 10-inch compound miter saw. That isn't a bad deal at all, seeing that the unit was $169 before, but you also have a choice for a smaller blade unit, which is on clearance, $146 for the Kobalt sliding compound miter saw. And I ran into this 4-piece combo kit from Kobalt. It's 24 volt with a 5-year warranty and 3-year warranty on the batteries. It is now $249, was $299, and it comes with the drill, the impact, the light, and the sawzall. But if that's too much money for you and you need something smaller, $149 was $199. You get the Kobalt 24 volt 2-piece combo kit, your drill and your impact with the same warranty. I ran into this amazing deal. This is the DeWalt DWS780, the 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. This thing is a beast, and if you thought you were going to pay $649, absolutely not. It's on sale right now for $499. This thing is awesome. For all you pros, this is one to have in your toolkit. I love this thing. Wow, I wish I could afford it right now. You got an amazing deal for $59, was $99. This is the Kobalt 24 volt multi-purpose saw. This is a 4-inch saw, and look at that. That is a brushless unit. That is a very nice unit and competitively priced. That is a must if you're in this battery system. For $59, was $99. We find the Kobalt 24 volt 1/2-inch compact impact wrench right there in all its glory. Tool only, no battery, guys. It's hiding right back here. This is a 24 volt brushless motor unit, and there it is, guys. I would take this. This is a must for your battery system if you're in Kobalt battery system. This awesome deal brought to you by Lowe's. Here we have the Craftsman trade stack for $49.98. This bag right here. This is the Tradesman Pro multi accessory tote bag, and when we flip it over, look at all that room for your impacts and all your different guns and different tools, and look at all those pockets in there. This thing is sizable, and it connects with your Trade Stack Pro system. So guys, this is really nice. Now, for $49, that is absolutely a deal for a bag like that. The modular toolbox wars continue, and right now on clearance is the Craftsman Trade Stack 3-piece crate bin tower for $111.75. It was $149, and it's this guy right here. Now, one of the reasons to consider the Trade Stack is because they do offer a drawer option. Check it out, it's right there. Now, I am not really liking the way that the units connect with each other because it uses this front grabbing system, but it is a pretty good option if you need drawers now and you need something that is less expensive than the Milwaukee Packout system. I'd still prefer the Husky system and the rigid system over this Craftsman stack unit, but this isn't a bad choice. As the modular wars continue here at Lowe's, we have for $169 the new low price. It was $199, the Craftsman trade stack unit. This is not with the crate. This one is with the 3 units, the small box, the medium box, and the large box with the wheels. What do you guys think? Is this as good as the Husky system that just came out, the build out? If you want to complete your Versa stack, Craftsman has a bag on sale for you right now to go right on top of your Versa stack for the low price of $48.98. It was $69.99. This little tool bag is awesome, completely versatile, lots of pockets. As you can see here, it's all set up for all your screwdrivers and things of that nature. It's made of tough material. This thing is pretty cool if you're in this system. When shopping modular toolboxes, check out the Craftsman Versa stack. I don't know, you guys really think this is better than the new Husky build-out system? I don't think so. I wouldn't choose this. It's much smaller. It looks much more delicate. Now, it does have some nice metal clasps there, but as you can see, one just broke off here on this one. And then the gripping system here that attaches the other units on top, look at that. It's like plastic. It isn't as strong. I don't know if I'd give it the same level of love that I would the Husky system right now.